Guys, kakain na po kami for paniod to.
Agud imo una sticker ba to.
Ubos ron. Luko gini niya.
May sticker ka dito ko. Tawa.
Ayo karang sana. Sige. Sige, itaw.
Is he the best rider in our group? And vlogger.
Oh, vlogger.
Yeah. He's the most famous vlogger here in Sichuan. Handsome?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Sticker.
Brother,
Where do you put my sticker?
I'm thinking, because I have more than one bike,
Wow.
so I will maybe.
Okay, thank you, sir. Lance, sir, Lance.
I had breakfast.
Okay.
How many bikes do you have, sir?
Well, in the U.S. I have one Harley and one Ducati Deval. And then here I have PCX. I have
Kaano, te? Bro, kain.
This is the good one.
This is it.
Ha?
This is it, pansit.
Where did you put the sticker?
Malog na mo ito. Local vlogger, bukon original.
Famous vlogger.
My motorbike is 2 million. Baga. Ano? Why you're hiding in the paper plate? Show your beautiful mouse in the Philippines. By the way, guys, this is my father.
Your dad?
Yeah, that's my
From
dad,
another mother.
from US. And then,
But
as you can see,
different
this
face.
motorbike is very
Why
small.
did different face?
Because I'm local, he is original.
Okay.
Local, original. Local, original. Oh, shout. Hey!
Gang.
Ako, grabe si.
When I see clothes. I remember Tanduan.